Hi, I'm Kate and I'm here to talk to you about the future of driving with the Kia EV9 and what's so incredible about it. Smart charging technology. The technology is smart enough to charge the car when the power grid isn't overwhelmed and when renewable energy is available. One of the major hurdles with renewable energy is it's only generated when there is wind or sun, meaning it's often wasted and it's not always needed when there's a high supply. But with the Kia EV9, you can now charge the car with this renewable energy and you can store the lower priced off-peak electricity from solar and wind energy in the car battery and sell it back to the grid when the price is right. Not only rewarding drivers both environmentally and financially, but also revolutionising the way that we use power. The V2G, vehicle-to-grid technology, will first be rolled out in the Netherlands before a wider European release. The Kia EV9 really is an incredible example of how a sustainable car can be a reality. For more information, go to kia.com.
Kia, movement that inspires.